Ladies and gentlemen, laugh with the bonabo. Don't come again.
Oh, hey, babe.
Yeah.
Hope you like the place, right?
It's nice now. It depends on when they just wash the car.
Good afternoon. You are the one in charge of this place, right? Watch this car for us. Alright. Okay.
Very, very energetic. Ladies and gentlemen, laugh with the bonabo. Don't come again with another comic actor. Ladies and gentlemen, you go laugh with tire. Which kind couple will be this year? Every day different drama. Amusing couple, very, very funny. Every day with a different drama. Very, very energetic.
Nah, I'm just in a hurry.
The guy has finished now.
Now, so these people they do for you. Who wants this car?
Babe,
Who wants this car?
babe, what happened now?
I was seeing what these people do right now. I said, who wants this car? That's what they do for you.
Babe, what is happening?
That's what these people they do for you. Who wants this car? Who is here?
Oga, what do you watch the car? No, why you dey hide now?
Bros, you want this car? Come here. You really try you. Yes, just what do you use watch this car?
This UClean product.
UClean?
Yeah.
Bring them. UClean. ABC.
Wow, this product is a top notch. Wow. So guys, you see this product is the best in market now. What are we talking about? We are talking about this product. Make your car shine with us, okay? You can use this product. It's a top notch. UClean car wash. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Please contact them. They deliver to your doorstep, okay? Contact them with the number you are seeing on your screen, okay?
And here is the latest car wash in town.
Okay.
Omax car wash. Man, if you are around Anambra, Oka, Amobia, Abagana, Enugu, and your car is dirty, just bring it to Omax car wash. Job done. Thank me later.
And with this product, don't forget.
For plates, pots, contact them. Thank us later.